family's all that we got. Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride. So let the light guide your way. Damn, who knew all the planes we flew.
We out here, bruh, at a little meet and greet. Ugly ass fucking cars out here, you know. The same old, same old. I'll show you one right now. This shit's fucking hideous, my nigga. Watch, hold on. What is that? Look at that. What is that? Is that a trash can?
Oh yeah. That shit low-key kind of trash. UFO.
Oh, Chuck, bro, go follow his YouTube. Robert will put it like right here somewhere. Are you have it on your car? I feel like you do. I feel like you're one of those niggas. Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, right. Go follow that nigga, bro. I just guess I'm gonna say to the vlog, bro. Vlog, dude.
No log.
What's up, you got
No
your gas?
I got you.
To see you do the intro. You haven't done it in a while.
There's already intro on here.
Huh?
I already have one on here. It's your turn. The vlog's already open. The vlog's going on right now.
Well, we gotta decide. What we do after this?
What are we doing after this?
We're gonna go to Damien's. What?
You actually filming, bro?
Yeah.
You should have seen you in the last video.
I did.
It was funny. He's like, that's tough.
He's in the last video?
Yeah, we're the Paul after me. I missed the. He was trying to open his hood, and he opened his hood, and he didn't know where the thing is, the hood prop.
Oh, Chubb, you vlogging too?
Chubb.
Oh, Chubb.
My little iPhone.
Let's see a little behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, bro. Behind the scenes.
Okay, nigga, the whole ass fucking selfie stick and everything. I see you.
That wide angle.
All the YouTubers out here.
I know, I'm
They
saying.
had a little fancy setup too. Okay.
4K.
Ooh.
4K. We got
1080.
Ghost Flash.
Ghost Flash.
Oh, Chubb?
Let me see the card.
Oh, it's the card. To the cards, yeah.
Yeah. Flip it over.
Already
Flip
know.
it over.
Flip it over.
Give him a follow.
Yeah. Yeah, this fool follow too.
This one.
Oh,
Up
Chubb.
to 100.
Him and his G over there. It's my nigga Isaac, bro. Follow my nigga on Instagram at 0300 Isaac. Wait, no, that's not right. Oh, it is right. Never mind.
Hey, let's go.
Niggas got a Z. It's wet, but it's kind of like not running right now. Got some new kicks.
You look at your version of static, and let's look at his version of static.
I'm a Subi, bro. I can't
Fitment?
go that low.
Do you even have Fitment? Do you even have Fitment?
Your own cameraman.
What else we got? Bro, we got the new quality of Baconator fenders. Shit's clean. We got the new yellow tinted headlights. Woo! Woo! What else we got? Let's open the door. Dang! Dang, you already know. We got the trash in the whip. Damn! Looking clean. Woo! Bro, we got the old car you had that you broke. Dang! We got this wobbly shifter. He's in gear. Look at that. Woo! Dang! What else we got? Okay. Oh, we got the semi-decent pulled fender. Alright. We got the cannon in the back that makes no sound. Yeah, alright. Hey, check out this cool little sport pump. It's nice. And then he scraped the paint off the bottom. Dang. How do you feel? How do you feel? Hold on. How do you feel now, boy? Oh, you want it? You want it? You want to roast my car now? Go ahead. See what you got. Let's see what you got.
First of all, what the fuck is that radiator doing, right?
That's not even a radiator, stupid.
Slanted as fuck.
That's not even a radiator.
Alrighty, let's see this. Let's see this. This bug ass Fitment.
Oh,
This shit not even lined up, my nigga. What is you doing?
Chill out, chill out, chill
Yeah,
out.
yeah, yeah. Unpainted fucking wide body. Okay.
Hey, where's your wide body at though, huh?
Look at this. Look at this.
Huh? Where's it at? Where's it at? Hey, but this Fitment.
Hey, he's trying to air up right now. You know why I can't do that? Because he has air leaking out right here from his fucking switch you didn't put in right. Yeah, alright.
Like that.
Alright. Let's see what else we got here, bruh. Let's open this car.
It's locked. Good luck. You like it? There you go.
Got you, bruh.
Keep going, keep going. Go.
Got these stiff ass, ugly ass racing seats in here. NRG.
Hey, what about your... They're not even NRG, stupid.
What are they?
I don't even know.
What are they? What are
Hey,
they?
look at your seats though, huh?
Okay, I'm on OEM.
Huh?
What are yours? What are yours?
Aftermarket.
What brand?
eBay.
Ah, eBay. eBay, okay. And what's up? What brand is that exhaust?
Bro, it's a Spec D twinning exhaust.
Where'd you buy it off of?
Amazon.
Okay.
Then we got an ISR
Oh, is this carbon fiber? Is this carbon fiber?
Yes.
Or is it wrap?
It's the 5D carbon wrap.
Ah, yeah. Wrap carbon fiber. Okay.
Alright, what else you got?
Let's see here. NRG ass steering wheel.
Look at yours. Your
Broken
cracked.
ass. Look at that. Look at that shit.
Bro, you
bruh.
got a cracked wood grain.
Okay, and it's fucking Nardi still, bitch.
Ooh, I got an Artie wheel at home too.
Yeah, you don't use it.
I don't.
And you stole it from work.
I didn't steal it. Damien stole it actually.
Look at this. What's
Okay,
this?
you already said the
What's
hood.
this? Open it up.
Open it up.
Open it up.
Open it up. What you gonna make fun of now, huh? What you got? What you got?
Where's your kickstand? Oh wait.
Kickstand? I don't got a hook pop.
So what do you use?
My hand?
Now what do you use?
Block of wood, 2x4.
What's this? What happened here?
I don't know China.
Now how'd you get this? How'd you get that?
I know what you're talking about.
How'd you get that? How'd you get that? Big dead.
I don't know.
Huh? Oh, you crashed the whip, right? All fucked up. Let's see what else we got here.
Damn, it's like that.
What we got here? What we got here?
You're trying too hard. I did it naturally.
Yeah,
I did it all natural.
Boof whip.
Shoot. Dang.
Full roll page.
Full cage? Oh. Dude, the over fenders? Dang. One day. I usually don't like wingless Evos or Subies, but I'm digging it.
You took it off.
I'm digging.
Got the whole.
I'm digging it. And the M3. Oh, the wide body S2K. What?
I just said you'd rather whip this than Jenny.
I would too.
What? Oh, yeah, the Jenny, you take this?
Maybe not.
Exactly.
Nah, probably not. Woo! Dang. Bro, I bet you that all these people, all their wheels, tires, and brake setups probably cost more than my car.
These big brakes are probably 4K.
Oh, easy. Look at the rear rotors and the rear calipers are gigantic. Dang. M4. On one of my dream wheels. Dude, if I had the money, I'd have RCF. Yes. If I had the money, this would be the whip. I guess you gotta make your Thompsons in the rear though.
That's what you're not flying in and out?
Civic Type R's. What?